little bit early for dinner, for lunch, really 12 o'clock. And today it's particular, it's really Japanese. It's called Okonomiyaki. There are two types. One is Hiroshima style or Osaka style. But today I don't know, it will be MeGis style because we have to cook ourselves. Like you can see here, this is square. Here they will bring the ingredient and we will cook ourselves. What I can do now is take the report and I will go to see how the professionals are cooking until we will get served. So if you come to Japan, try this kind of food, which is really good. It's a mix of between noodle and vegetable. But I don't explain too much now because we will see by yourself and you will see. So. So the waiter already give us water, bring all what we need to eat. So we're just waiting. All these guys next to us, they're preparing. They're really busy. I can see they're really concentrated. And we are just waiting now with Megumi. I can't wait. I'm sure it will be just fantastic. So after that, when we receive, Megumi will explain to you how to prepare and she will explain. Okay, so we are waiting, so I can't wait, I'm already hungry. Okay.
Behind the chopstick, almond, and small fish with special one. This one will cook the hot plate. That is a wet serviette.
Okay.
Actually wet towel.
Okay.
And before eating, open and wash my.
Okay. Hungry?
Yes. The smell make me hungry.
Yeah, really smell good, huh? There's a lot of people already queuing outside to come to the restaurant.
Yeah, just we are lucky.
In addition, we get normally that is for 4 people, the space.
Yeah.
We are just 2. So we will see the first one.
First one, that is a butamota. Let's see. Under is a kind of okonomiyaki.
Yeah.
And here the top is a noodle. You can see.
So the okonomiyaki is which ingredient they use?
Normally use flour, egg, and vegetable, especially cabbage.
Wow, looks amazing.
And I put the meat, the pork.
Okay.
Look.
Wow.
This part is a kind of okonomiyaki.
Yeah.
And the top is the noodle, yakisoba.
Okay. And do you eat straight away from sour or you put some topping on the top?
If you want the mayonnaise or more sauce, you can add.
It's a specific sauce.
A little bit sweet one.
Alright. It's good because you can keep warm the food.
This one is really nice.
I will eat this one.
If you need more
Yes.
sauce,
Prepare, yeah, you have to prepare all. Voila.
and this one is mayonnaise. Look, this 3.
Ah, triple.
Ouais.
Triple mayo. Nice. Okay. Get my chopstick. Look at that. I can't. Oh, looks super hot. Looks super hot. It's just delicious. You get kind of pork meat with this noodle and also this cabbage, all mixed and well cooked, and also they put the egg inside. It's just amazing. That is really high recommendation. I will receive another one. We receive another one. This one we will eat later. So now let us to enjoy this one and we will comment the other one. But if you come to Japan, definitely you need to eat this one. So now is my turn to a little bit warm up like that, and I serve Megumi. What is really fantastic, this noodle is not soft, it's al dente, and a little bit thick one. With this recipe really works well. Look, under is kind of omelette because they mix eggs plus cabbage and a little bit cut. Nice and warm, mixed with pork meat. Wow! I become really a chef, huh? That's for Megumi. Now I will organize the seasoning, like brown sauce, little bit over. That depends what you like, and the mayonnaise. And you can make a little bit decoration. Looks nice, huh? But especially is really nice. Megumi, do you want? I organize. That is really cool Okonomiyaki sauce. It's a brown one, and Japanese mayonnaise, which is quite liquid, but really, really yum. Okay, I become a Japanese chef, as you can see. What is important to mix all? I put a little bit sauce, make it nice and tasty. So that is another type of okonomiyaki. As you can see, is just yakisoba, thick noodle with meat, cabbage, and the egg is on the side as it is like that. So it's good to try different type. I think the boss will hire me. And what is good when you eat this kind of dishes, you can keep warm all the time. That's why it's good to put small portion, because you can keep warm. There you are. Important also, we need to cook that. Enough? Mayo. Rapid. Alright. So let's try this different type. Oh, looks warm. This one also really yum. It's a little bit different because less garbage and the egg is on the side, but I really recommend.